Hello friends and fans. Welcome to Chapter 4 of our Fire and Special Perils Insurance webinar. In this chapter, we will cover the following subtopics: claims processes and procedures, claims documentation, service providers involved in processing a fire claim. Subtopic 1: Fire and Special Perils Claims Processes and Procedures. The claims process for fire and special perils insurance involves several steps that policyholders need to follow to initiate and settle a claim successfully. It is essential to be familiar with the claims procedures to ensure a smooth and efficient resolution in case of a covered loss. Here is an overview of the typical fire and special perils claims process. 1. Notify the insurance company. As soon as a loss occurs or damage is discovered, the insured should immediately inform their insurance company or the insurance agent/broker. Most insurers have a 24/7 helpline or dedicated claims department to handle claim notifications. 2. Document the loss. After notifying the insurance company, the insured should document the loss extensively. This includes taking photographs and videos of the damaged property, inventorying damaged belongings, and preserving any evidence related to the incident. 3. File a claim. The insured must formally file a claim with the insurance company. This is usually done by filling out a claim form provided by the insurer. The claim form should include details about the policyholder, the insured property, the date and cause of the loss, and a description of the damages. 4. Provide supporting documents. Along with the claim form, the insured may need to submit supporting documents, such as the policy contract, a copy of the police report, if applicable, invoices or estimates for repair or replacement, and any other relevant documentation requested by the insurer. 5. Inspection and assessment. Once the claim is filed, the insurance company will typically send a claims adjuster to inspect the damaged property. The adjuster will assess the extent of the loss and verify the claim's validity. 6. Claims settlement. After completing the investigation and assessment, the insurance company will determine the coverage applicable to the loss. The insured will receive a settlement offer outlining the amount the insurer is willing to pay for the damages, subject to the policy's terms and conditions. 7. Negotiation, if necessary. If the insured believes the settlement offer is insufficient, they can engage in negotiation with the insurance company. Providing additional evidence or documentation can help in negotiating a fair settlement. 8. Claims payment. Once an agreement is reached and the necessary paperwork is completed, the insurance company will issue the claims payment to the insured. The payment is usually made as a lump sum or in installments, depending on the policy and the nature of the loss. 9. Property restoration. With the claims settlement received, the insured can proceed with repairing or rebuilding the damaged property. They may also replace damaged belongings or assets as covered by the policy. It's essential for policyholders to be aware of the specific claims procedures outlined in their policy documents and adhere to any specified time frames for filing claims. Promptly reporting the loss and cooperating with the claims adjuster can expedite the claims process and ensure a satisfactory resolution. It's also advisable to keep communication lines open with the insurance company throughout the claims process to address any questions or concerns that may arise. Subtopic 2. Fire and Special Perils Claim Documentation. Proper documentation is essential when filing a fire and special perils insurance claim. Thorough and organized documentation helps streamline the claims process, substantiates the loss or damage, and ensures that the policyholder receives the appropriate compensation. Here is a comprehensive list of essential documents for fire and special perils insurance claims. 1. Claim form. The initial step in filing a claim is completing the claim form provided by the insurance company. This form includes basic information about the insured, details of the insured property, the date and cause of the loss, and a description of the damages. 2. Policy contract. Provide a copy of the Fire and Special Perils Insurance policy contract. This document outlines the coverage terms, policy limits, exclusions, and conditions that apply to the claim. 3. Incident report. If applicable, provide an incident report, especially for perils such as burglary or vandalism. For example, in case of theft, file a police report immediately and include a copy with the claim documentation. 4. Photographs and videos. Take clear and comprehensive photographs and videos of the damaged property and belongings. Capture the extent of the damage from multiple angles to support your claim. 5. Inventory of damaged belongings. Create an inventory of all the damaged belongings, including descriptions, quantities, and estimated values. Include receipts, invoices, or appraisals for expensive items. 6. Repair and replacement estimates. Obtain written estimates from reputable contractors for the repair or replacement of the damaged property. This is particularly important for assessing the cost of rebuilding or restoring the property. 7. Debris removal and cleanup costs. If applicable, include documentation of expenses related to debris removal, demolition, and cleanup after the loss. 8. Architect or engineer reports. If required, provide reports from architects, surveyors, or consulting engineers detailing the extent of damage and the estimated repair costs. 9. Temporary relocation costs. If the property is uninhabitable, document any additional expenses incurred for temporary accommodation or relocation. 10. Proof of ownership and value. Provide documentation that verifies ownership of the insured property and its value. This may include purchase receipts, property title documents, or appraisals. 11. Loss of income documentation. If the policy includes coverage for business interruption, provide financial records that support the loss of income during the interruption period. 12. Insurance correspondence. Keep copies of all correspondence with the insurance company, including emails, letters, and claim-related communications. 13. Communication log. Maintain a record of all conversations with the insurance company's representatives, including the names and contact details of the individuals involved and the dates of communication. Remember to organize all the documents systematically and keep them safe in case additional information is required during the claims process. Submit the required documentation promptly and accurately to facilitate a smooth and efficient claims settlement. Always consult with the insurance company or claims representative to ensure you provide all necessary documents and meet any specific requirements for your fire and special perils insurance claim. Subtopic 3. Some of insurance service providers who are likely to be involved in processing a fire claim. In the process of processing a fire and special perils insurance claim, various insurance service providers may be involved to assess, investigate, and settle the claim. Here are some of the key insurance service providers likely to be involved. 1. Insurance company. The insurance company is the primary entity responsible for processing the fire claim. They receive the claim notification, assign a claims adjuster, and manage the entire claims process. The insurance company evaluates the claim, determines coverage, and makes decisions on the claim settlement. 2. Claims adjuster. A claims adjuster is an insurance professional appointed by the insurance company to investigate and assess the fire claim. The adjuster inspects the property, assesses the extent of the damage, verifies the claim's validity, and calculates the claim amount based on the policy's terms and conditions. 3. Loss assessor. In some cases, the policyholder may hire a loss assessor, also known as a public adjuster, to represent their interests in the claims process. The loss assessor works on behalf of the policyholder to document the loss, negotiate with the insurance company, and ensure the policyholder receives a fair settlement. 4. Fire investigators. In cases of suspicious fires or complex claims, the insurance company may employ fire investigators. These professionals specialize in determining the cause and origin of the fire to confirm if it is a covered peril and rule out any fraudulent activities. 5. Surveyors and engineers. For extensive damage assessments and technical evaluations, the insurance company may engage architects, surveyors, and engineers. These experts help assess the structural damage and prepare detailed reports to estimate the cost of repairs or reconstruction. 6. Restoration and repair contractors. Once the claim is settled, restoration and repair contractors are engaged to undertake the necessary repairs or rebuilding of the damaged property. These contractors work closely with the insured and the insurance company to ensure the property is restored to its pre-loss condition. 7. Legal experts. In complex cases or disputes, legal experts or insurance attorneys may become involved to provide legal counsel and advice. They may represent either the policyholder or the insurance company to resolve any claim-related legal matters. 8. Third-party administrators, TPAs. Some insurance companies may use third-party administrators to handle certain aspects of the claims process. TPAs are external companies or entities that manage claims on behalf of the insurance company. It's important to note that the specific involvement of these insurance service providers may vary depending on the complexity of the claim, the policy terms, and the requirements of the insurance company. Throughout the claims process, effective communication between all parties involved is crucial to ensure a fair and timely settlement for the policyholder. And with that, we have come to the end of this chapter. We will be back with the next chapter shortly. Stay tuned.